poetry is to literature as blank. So we have to look at this analogy and find a relationship between the two words. Once we do, we can see which of our answer options share this relationship. So if we call the first word A and the second word B, and we just think about the relationship between poetry and literature, I could say that poetry fits inside literature, or poetry is a member of the group called literature. So I'm going to write that in at the bottom. I'm going to say A is a member of B. So now we're going to go through the answer options and see which ones share this relationship, where the first word is a member of the second word. So the first option is rhyme is to syntax, and syntax is actually a way of describing rhymes. It's not a group that rhyming fits within. So we're going to cross this option out. The second, singing is to reading. And if you're singing, you're definitely not reading, as reading implies it's in your head, while singing is out loud. So we'll cross this option out. The third is lyrics is to prose, and prose means it's original writing, whilst lyrics could be anything. I could just write out the lyrics of a Bon Jovi song, which definitely isn't original, so I can cross this out. The fourth option, sculpture is to visual art, and this could be the answer. A sculpture is something visual that you can see and it's normally art. And some could say that sculpture has to fit into visual art, and for this reason we'll leave it blank. And the last one is artist is to craftsman. Now an artist could be a craftsman, but they don't always have to be. An artist is anyone that enjoys art and likes to do it. As a hobby, you don't have to create anything. Whilst a craftsman has to be an expert at their craft. And for this reason, I'm going to cross this out. So we've only got one option left, sculpture is to visual art, which will be our final answer.